Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about what is a short attack. Our recent content has talked about negative research, short calls, sell calls, and management teams would be well served to get a tutorial on short attacks, why they're powerful, what a strong one looks like, and some real life examples. And so short attacks are the dark arts of Wall Street because an investor is betting that the stock is going down and they're expecting it to go down 50 to 90%, almost putting you out of business. And the reason that they're expecting these strong outcomes is that, first, the short thesis is based on a fundamental premise or statement that cannot be refuted by management. Think, I did my trials in Latin America. I, as management, cannot refute that statement. They were done in Latin America. Second, the short seller then comes up with several data points that may or may not be able to be refuted, but support that fundamental premise that is true. And then finally, these first two items are meant to illustrate or uncover either hiding, lying, obfuscation, or some sort of nefarious behavior by the underlying management team. And that, combined with the true statement, is what drives the 50 to 90% decline in stock price. Now, the three types of short attacks that you're going to face are a structural flaw in the business, which again is based on an irrefutable premise, which is why it's so strong. The other two are a narrative-driven short attack or an earnings performance short attack. And those two can be defended against. You can use your earnings materials or you can change guidance. They're not irrefutable. And so in my experience, both on the sell side and investor relations, I issued short calls when I was in digital healthcare on 4 different companies. I also was interacting with several Chinese reverse mergers in Chinese internet where we had some short attacks that occurred. And then as an investor relations professional, I dealt with multiple short attacks in data center REITs and in gaming. I hope you'll find this content interesting over the next few videos. And remember, depending on who attacks you or gives you a short attack, it's very dangerous because that short attack artist may be 100% right. So always here to help. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you need help with your capital markets, investor relations, or corporate finance needs.